Hi. So I want to show you guys what I start my makeup off with, and I start with our CC cream. I use the light to medium, and I've already put that on. It's a very light foundation, and it has SPF in it. And to me, it gives me complete coverage. Some people may need to use like the full coverage foundation, but I love it as like my everyday thing. And then I'm going to use our translucent powder. And I'm just going to use like an eyebrow pen brush and just get a little bit of my Onyx, which is our eyeshadow. Okay, I just kind of shaded in my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna put some of my Honey Glow on my cheeks. Okay. And Light Beam liquid eyeshadow. Okay. First, I'm gonna start with our Mary Kay primer, eye primer. Oops. Jeez, I put way too much. What does this eye primer do? Well, it makes your eyeshadow last a lot longer. And it, what it also does is it makes sure that your eyeshadow, it prevents it from any creases. So it prevents your eyeshadow from any creases. So this is our Light Beam liquid eyeshadow. And this shade is called Light Beam, Mary Kay liquid eyeshadow. The next thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of my golden copper at the top, just so it could blend a little bit. Oh, I might have put too much, but it's okay. We'll make it work. As long as you can blend, you're good. And you'll see. Okay, I blended my other eye. Then I'm going to add a little bit of espresso to the corners. I'm sorry, hot fudge. I'm going to add a little bit of hot fudge. Got some hot fudge. I always like to put a little bit under my eye, my bottom lashes, because it gives it a little bit of a natural smoky eye. Okay, gonna add it on this side now. And then I'm going to add some more underneath. Okay. Look how pretty that looks. And then I'm going to put on my, what lipstick do you think I'm going to wear? Medium nude, rich truffle. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Favorite. Then I'm going to put a little mascara at the bottom. I love a thick formula. Okay. And then all I need to do is just add a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm peachy. So I'm going to use our Mary Kay waterproof eyeliner. This is our bronzer palette, by the way. So I'm gonna use the mirror to put a little eyeliner on, and you could see how I put my eyeliner on, so I'll show you. What I do is start at the beginning. Okay, and then I just literally color it in. There you go. Here's my eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye. And then color it in. you go.
What happened? Oh my god, you scared me.
Woo! There you have it, y'all. All makeup by Mary Kay. So, if you have any questions, this is our liquid eyeshadow. It's very easy to put on. Lasts a really long time. I love it. Tell me what you think. Mwah.